So the MIS department at the Fox School of Business is recognized for our very innovative research programs. Recently, our department is recognized as one of the top 10 programs in the country by the Chronicles of Higher Education for our innovative research.
One of the reasons why we are top 10 is over the last few years we have been putting in place all the right mechanisms by which we can conduct research in a productive manner. So, like, we have hired the right set of faculty, giving them the right set of tools and support to be able to do research.
I selected to come to Temple for MIS because it is one of the top-rated school and as well as well-reputed school in the greater Philadelphia region.
I knew that I wanted to do management information systems, and I was doing my research to look for the best program of MIS and found that the Fox Business School's MIS program is the top 10 in the country.
And I felt Temple University would give me the most value. It would give me the most personalized support from the professors because their reviews online were like glowing. So it was like, I have to go to this school because I feel like I already know these people even though I have never met them.
The Fox MIS program is top tier, and I've had an opportunity to work with some great professors, and my experience has been very positive overall.